Flat roof for house. Pros and cons you must know before building. Dear friends, a flat roof is a modern and practical roofing option that many homeowners consider today. It gives your house a clean, contemporary look and works especially well in urban areas. One of the biggest advantages of a flat roof is extra usable space. You can use it as a terrace garden, sitting area, solar panel platform, or even for water tanks and HVAC units. This makes it highly functional, especially in cities where space is limited. Flat roofs are also generally more affordable to construct compared to sloped roofs. They require fewer materials and simpler structural design. Maintenance and inspection are easier too, because you can safely walk on the surface. Another benefit is easy future expansion. If you plan to add another floor later, a flat roof makes the construction process much simpler. However, flat roofs also have some disadvantages. Drainage can be a major issue. Since the slope is minimal, water can accumulate during heavy rainfall, leading to leakage if waterproofing is not done properly. Waterproofing and insulation need special attention. Poor quality materials or improper installation can cause cracks, dampness, and seepage problems over time. Flat roofs may also have a shorter lifespan compared to well-built pitched roofs, especially in areas with extreme weather conditions. In conclusion, a flat roof is practical, cost-effective, and space-efficient. But proper design, slope planning, and waterproofing are essential to ensure long-term durability and performance. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.